Hello friends. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy new year. Hi, I'm Gagan, a tarot card expert and a spiritual healer. Hope you all are hale and hearty. Today, my topic is about how to attract financial abundance very easily. This we will do today by creating a money magnet coaster. Yes, you heard it right. Okay, let me explain. Water has scientifically proven to have memory and it carries our thoughts. Water molecules have an ability to store affirmations. In other words, by talking to water, we can actually charge it with our fixed intentions in mind. And charged water helps in manifesting our wishes. So every time before drinking water, you need to charge it by talking affirmations to it. But what if I tell you that I have a shortcut to this and there would be no need to charge it again and again? Sometimes we tend to forget also to charge it daily. So today I'll teach you how to make money magnet coaster using switch words, healing codes, affirmations and angel symbols. And when you will keep your water bottle or glass on it, it will be automatically charged, and believe me, it will transform your life. The stuff required is just a white plain paper, green pen, a blue pen, a coaster, square or round doesn't matter, number 4 cellophane sheet, and number 5 a pair of scissors. Now either you can cover your coaster, this is my coaster, so you can either cover your coaster fully with the white plain paper, or you can just cover the coaster top like I have done it. Now draw these two symbols. The first here is prosperity symbol and this is abundance symbol. These are the angelic symbols which you can draw on the coaster top, on the white plain sheet, sorry. And now you have to draw these two symbols with the green color. Now write your name. Now with the blue color, as you can see here, this is my name. You can write your own name here. And then you have mentioned the switch word, find, count, divine. Like I have mentioned it here, find, count, divine. So these are the two angelic symbols. This is my name. This is a switch word. And in the end, you have to write the affirmation. Okay, so I have written two affirmations like I'm a money magnet and money comes to me easily, effortlessly and miraculously. So these are the two affirmations I've mentioned, and also I've mentioned an angelic number here, 808-520-741, and that too in a circle. Okay, you need to put a circle, don't forget that. And then you can secure this sheet with the cellophane paper. So so that when you keep the bottle, in order to protect it from water, you can cover it with the cellophane sheet. It is your wish whether you do it or not. And see, your money magnet coaster is ready. So now you can keep it on your side table and you can put a glass or bottle full of water on it overnight and drink that water during the day like this. See. So overnight just leave it and in the morning you can drink it, but yes, with full faith, and you can also repeat the affirmations written on it, and also while drinking visualize a lot of money is flowing to you. Do it daily and feel the magic. Friends, this is tried and tested technique, so don't forget to share it with your family and friends. If you find this video interesting and useful, then like and subscribe to my channel. For personalized tarot reading and healing session, drop a WhatsApp message at numbers displaying on the screen. See you soon next week. Take care and God bless.